Hello everyone, good morning to all. In today's class we are going to cover types of triangles and exercise 12.2. So let's see how many types of triangles are there in our syllabus. First, classification based on sides. First, equilateral triangle. This is a triangle in which all the sides are equal in length. So for a triangle, if all three sides are same or equal in length, then this type of triangle is known as equilateral triangle. So here all three sides are of equal length, 2 by 2 by 2. Second, isosceles triangle. Triangle in which two sides are equal in length. So if two sides are equal, or you can say third side, say first two sides are equal and say third side is not equal to other two sides. So this type of triangle in which two sides are equal in length, this type of triangle is known as isosceles triangle. Then scalene triangle. All three sides are unequal. So if all three sides are unequal in length, like this, 1, 2 and say 3. So all three sides are unequal in length, then this type of triangle is known as scalene triangle. Next, classification based on angles. Acute triangle or acute angle triangle. All the angles are acute. Now, if all three angles of a triangle, say this is 50, this is 60, and say this is 70. So all three angles of a triangle are less than 90 or acute. This type of triangle is known as acute triangle. Then right angle triangle, any one angle is a right angle. Right angle means perpendicular or 90 degrees. So at least one angle, one is 90 and other two angles can be of any measure. So at least one angle is a right angle, then this type of triangle is known as right angle triangle. Next, obtuse angle or obtuse triangle. Obtuse angle triangle or obtuse triangle. One angle is an obtuse angle. So at least one angle must be obtuse. Say this angle is 120. This is 30 and this is 30. So one angle is obtuse. Obtuse means greater than 90 and other two angles are 30 and 30, or any value, any proper suitable value you can assign, but at least one angle should be, this angle should be greater than 90. So these are two types of classification. First based on side, second based on angles. Again I am repeating it, based on side, if all three sides are equal, it's an equilateral triangle. If two sides are equal, isosceles, and if all three sides are unequal, scalene. Now based on angle, if all three angles are acute triangle or acute angle triangle. If at least one angle is 90, then right angle triangle. Next, obtuse triangle, any one angle is obtuse or greater than 90. This is an obtuse angle triangle. Now in case of right angle triangle or right triangle, if this angle is 90, then side opposite to 90, side opposite to 90 is known as hypotenuse. This side is known as base and this side is known as perpendicular. So for a right angle triangle, side opposite to this angle, opposite to 90 degrees is known as hypotenuse. This side is base and this side, vertical side, is perpendicular. Now we will solve exercise 12.2. First question. Looking at the sides, classify the triangles according to sides. Fill in the table. So this is the first part, first triangle. In the first triangle, all three sides are equal in length, and length of each side is equals to 3 cm. So in the table, we are required to write length of AB. Length of AB is 3 cm. 3. Then length of BC, again 3 cm. Length of CA, 3 cm. Now which type of triangle is this? We know that if all three sides of a triangle, all three sides are equal, then this type of triangle is known as equilateral triangle. So type is equilateral triangle. The second triangle B. In this triangle, these two sides are equal in length, 2 cm, 2 cm, and third side is unequal with length 1.5 cm. So this triangle is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles means any triangle in which two sides are equal and third side is unequal. So second case, part B, is isosceles triangle. Now side AB, length of the side AB is 2 cm, length of BC is 1.5 cm, and length of CA is also 2 cm, and type is isosceles triangle. Third, part C, all three length 1.5, 2.2 and 2 cm, all three lengths are unequal. So this is a scalene triangle. Length of AB 1.5 cm, length of BC is 2.2 cm, and length of CA is 2 cm, and type a scalene triangle. The next part D of same question. Verify whether the sum of any two sides is greater than the third side or not. So part D, in first case 3, 3 and 3, these are three sides. So 3 plus 3 is always greater than 3. First side, second side and third side. And if we change the side, again we are going to get same result. So yes, this is valid. In second case, in second triangle, these are three sides. So 2 plus 2 is greater than 1. Yes, if we take these two sides as first and second side, and if we consider that these are first two sides, then 2 plus 1.5 again is greater than 2. Sum of two sides is greater than third side, again valid. And if we change, again we will get same result. 1.5 plus 2 will be greater than 2. So this is also correct. Now in third case 1.5 first side plus length of second side 2.2 is greater than 2. Yes, correct. Now if we consider this and this, these two sides are as first and second side, 2.2 and 2, yes, again is greater than 1.5. And if we consider AC as first side and BC as second side, so 2 plus 1.5, 2 plus 1.5 is 3.5 and is greater than 2.5. So here is the verification. All three triangles are valid and possible triangles. Next, second question. Measure the three angles and classify each triangle according to the angles. What can you say about the sum of three angles in each case? So these are three given triangles. It's my request to please try to measure all three angles of the triangle from your book. I am doing it, but please measure angles from your book. In first case, this is my first angle, and first angle is approximately 60, it's 60. So angle B is 60 in first case. Angle C 0 to 60, again angle C is 60 degrees. And angle A, so angle A is also right angle A is also 60 So all three angles are 60, 60, 60, 60 each. So totally 60 plus 60 plus 60, 180 degrees, right? So if all three angles are equal or all three angles are same, then we can say that it's an isosceles triangle. No. It's an equilateral triangle. No. Based upon classification of angle, it's an acute angle because all three angles are less than 90. So it's an acute triangle or acute angle triangle. Second part, part B. This is the triangle. Now, first angle, angle A. Angle A is 45. So 45 degrees, angle A. Then second angle, this is the angle, angle B. Angle B is 90. So we'll write 90 degrees. And angle C. This is the third angle, angle C. Yes, angle C is also 45. 45. So 45 plus 45 is 90. 90 plus 90, 180. Total is 180. And we know that if one angle, this is right angle. So if one angle of a triangle is 90 degrees, then the triangle is also known as right angle triangle or right triangle. So right angle triangle or right triangle. Now part C, third triangle. In the third triangle, the first angle is, this is approximately 120. Angle B is 120 degrees. What about angle A? Angle A is approximately, it is 25. So angle A is 25. And angle C in my case is 35. So 120 plus 25, 145, 145 plus 35 is again 180. 180 degrees. Right. 25, 120 and 35. So in this triangle, angle B is greater than 90. It's an obtuse triangle or obtuse angle triangle. First is acute triangle, second one is right angle triangle. Next, question number 5. Name the hypotenuse in each case. The side opposite to right angle is called the hypotenuse. So in fifth question, we have to find hypotenuse. Hypotenuse means side opposite to the right angle. So in first case, this is right angle, perpendicular, sign of perpendicular or right angle. So side opposite to right angle, side AC, is the hypotenuse of first triangle. In second case, this is the sign, this is symbol of right angle. So side opposite to right angle, DF is the hypotenuse of second triangle. And in third case, this is the symbol of right angle. So side QR opposite to right angle is the hypotenuse of this triangle. So please solve question number 5, fifth question. Just write hypotenuse, side opposite to right angle for each case. Now I'll request you to please solve all remaining questions. Question number 3, question number 4, question number 6 and question number 7. All questions are very simple. So please solve all questions in your notebook. And if you have any problem, any doubt in this exercise or in this chapter, please write your comments in the comment box. Thank you.